Hi, everyone. Um, I wanted to give you a heads up. I was trying to think about what would be a fun and interactive way to help you to review. And all I did was Google filing exam, and I came across an online version for the Greg's Filing Kit. How cool is this? Let me quickly walk through this website for you. I will post this this website address in our announcements, right where this video is at, so you can get to it. But take a look here. And so if we go down to choose one, we've got an intro. So you can take a look at the information here, unit, alphabetizing, what's indexing, filing rules, and then when we go into Rule 1, it gives you what Rule 1 is all about. Then you've got two exercises. So if we go into Exercise 1, how as each name appears below the line, key the name as it should be indexed. So we know that it should be, last name, first name, things like that, how, the units. And then after you get that, you are going to go over to Submit Answer. And then it tells you right then how many you get right. You can email this to yourself. I mean, there's really no need to do that. This is just a fun interactive tool. Each rule has at least 2 exercises for you to do. So just be mindful of that. Let's see, Rule 11 happens to be the government names, and look at how many fun exercises there are. And once you do these, it tells you what you got wrong after you submit your answer. Now, we do not have geographic or numeric mixed in here. So this is addresses, Rule 12. There isn't anything about the electronic or the numeric, so just be mindful of that. Other than that, this thing is so cool. I just want you just to get out there and just have some fun over the next week. I don't think I'm going to have too much more for us to review on Tuesday when we're in class. I might, like I said, do a Kahoot, but this is pretty extensive. This should take plenty of your time working this and reviewing this. All right, that's it, ladies. I'm kind of looking forward to you sitting down taking the quiz. I am proud of each and every one of you, and I have no doubt in your ability to be successful, not just in this class and on this exam, but in your careers. All right, have a good time studying this weekend.